How to delete a text box in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, I will show you by doing it in Google Docs, but you can apply the same process in your Microsoft Word as well. So open your Word and let me show you by inserting a text box first. So you insert a text box using the drawing feature, and then you will find it. Simply save it and close. Now as you can see, here is a text box. Now if you want to delete it, what you will have to do is, I will draw the text box again and show you. Now in order to delete the text box, you can simply press the key delete in your keyboard